Hello everyone. So we have released a new feature in our buyer supplier module. Now earlier you used to go ahead and add a buyer supplier by filling all the details. We have released a functionality through which you can directly search and fetch the detail from GSTIN number. Let me show you how you can use it and how it will be helpful to you. So first of all, you need to go in buyer suppliers module. On your left hand side, you need to click on browse modules, then click on buyer and suppliers. Now, once you will come in buyer and supplier, on your right hand side, you will see add buyer and supplier. Click on this, add single company. Now here. So here, earlier you used to go ahead and fill all the details manually. Now I can simply just go ahead and enter the GSTIN number and need to click on fetch details. Once I will click on fetch details, please check. As per GSTIN registered address and remaining details, each and every detail will come here so that you don't need to fill the details manually. Few details where you go ahead, where you need to go ahead and fill up manually, like the name. What will be the person name? So this will be Shishir. What will be the email? So let me just type down Shishir at letstransact.com. I can go ahead and just mention my phone number as well. Once I went ahead and just mentioned all the detail, I need to select that this is my buyer, supplier, both. So just few details, and then after click on create company. Please check this particular company is created. So this is how you can easily fetch the detail, the counterparty detail and address from GSTIN and add them directly. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.